Good morning, everyone. Sunday morning here. Hope everyone is doing well. It's nice and bright out here, but very cold. But going for a great walk. I have with me here my wife and dog as well, and we are enjoying our Sunday morning stroll. Wanted to use this opportunity to maybe give you a little bit more background about myself and my motivation in joining this business, digital freedom business. So I obviously I'm from India. I grew up there. My education in India. I'm a pharmacist by training. I did my bachelor's and my master's degree in pharmacy, and sorry, just watching these beautiful colors here as well. So I did my pharmacy degree, and then I was working there for a few years before I came to Canada. I've been in Canada for 33 years now, and most of my working life I worked in the pharmaceutical industry. I've been in the industry for around 36 years. I obviously worked in India, worked in Canada, and then for a number of years I also worked in the US. So kind of semi-retired now from the industry, though I still do some work there. But wanted to start exploring a different business and see where this kind of takes me. So the key motivation is to my why, as to why I joined the business. You know, as I mentioned, I've been in the pharma industry for nearly 36 years, and over the years, long hours, flying around from one place to another, lots of international meetings, staying away from family. In fact, when I was in the US, I was in the US for around 6-7 years, close to 7 years, away from family. They were not able to move from Canada because of schooling and other things for the kids, and so it was just myself, a lot of commuting back and forth, and that was tough on the family. Staying away from the family. Wife had to do all the work. The kids were growing up. I missed many key milestones for the family, and that was never a good feeling. So, sometimes as fathers, we have to do what we have to do in terms of earning a living for the family. Many times, many fathers I know of have also worked in different cities, away from family. It's never easy, even though we don't share that information. It does hurt, because especially as your kids are growing up and you miss key milestones, you miss family, and you know that your wife has to put in a lot of extra effort because you're not there to support. That is never a good feeling. And it was the same for me as well. So one of the things as I kind of explore something else in my life, closer to retirement years, I want to do something that connects me to the family, stays close to the family, and I'm able to share in both the good times and the difficult times in terms of supporting the family. So that is one key motivation. Obviously, secondly is also from a monetary standpoint and a long-term future standpoint, is to leave the right legacy for the family. I think that's important as well. And so that is something I want to make sure that I do, that can maybe then pass on to the kids, and they want to carry on the business. So that's number two. And the third is, in the pharmaceutical industry, I've done a lot of different roles. Have had leadership roles in multiple organizations, have led global teams, and also ran business units. So why not bring in all that energy and the experience from that and start your own business, and not only work for an employer where you have maybe team members working for you, but have your own business where you have team members, where you're able to motivate them, where you're able to grow them, you're able to help them so that they can achieve financial freedom, they can achieve time, location, money freedom, which is what I think this digital business is starting to give me. And so those are maybe three reasons as to why I would like to, why I joined this business. One was family, two was legacy for the family, three was helping community and give back to society and to people to help them. So given the fact that, I'm close to retirement age from a pharma industry standpoint, and I'm starting to get into this business, if I can do it, anyone can do it. and I'm here to help support and guide people who are either retired, maybe semi-retired, or they're looking for a second income. I know in my industry, the pharmaceutical industry, I hear of colleagues and acquaintances and many people getting laid off on a very routine basis nowadays. And so it's becoming tough out there, and especially with inflation and other challenges that people are facing. I want to be able to use my expertise to be able to help people who maybe want to have a fresh start. So those are the reasons why I joined the business. Completely enjoying it. As you see, we haven't gone on a walk like this, family, with my wife and the dog, together for months now, with my routine day-to-day business work. But now with the digital business, that gives me time freedom, gives me a location freedom. I can pick and choose what I want to do when I want to do. So weekends that used to be very, very busy now seem more relaxing, because I can do and have the flexibility of doing stuff during the week now for the house. And so this is great from that standpoint, and it allows us to have some good family time together and enjoy at the same time. So hope some of you can maybe resonate with my story, and how there are options available for people to look at something different, and create a life that is more meaningful, more purposeful, and driven by your own needs, as opposed to being dictated just because you're an employee somewhere. So I guess that's it for now. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.